Hi, I'm Ashley Adair, and I'm the Ag and Natural Resources Educator at Purdue Extension in Montgomery County. Today I want to bring your attention to an invasive species that's common here in Indiana and becoming increasingly more common, garlic mustard, otherwise known as Alliaria petiolata. This invasive species was brought to the United States for culinary purposes. It's called garlic mustard for a reason, because it has a garlicky taste to it when it's used in prepared dishes. This invasive species is known for shading and crowding out our native plants. We have two garlic mustard individuals invading this area here in McCormick Woods that's primarily populated with American ginger. A member of the mustard family, garlic mustard shares many characteristics with other plants in the family. It has small, four-petaled flowers and slender seed capsules called calyx. Garlic mustard plants are biennials, which means they take 2 years to set seed. In their first year, they look like these small plants, producing only basal leaves that can sometimes be confused with violets. One way to tell the difference is that violet leaves have smooth edges, whereas these garlic mustard leaves have small scallops going around the edge. Here's a closer look at those first-year garlic mustard leaves for your reference. Garlic mustard plants like this one can be easily hand-pulled out of these areas. Make sure to grasp the plant near the base and gently pull straight out of the ground. You want to make sure that you get the entire root out of the ground so that this plant doesn't have a chance to re-root or send up new shoots. From mid-April through mid-May, it's a good idea to carry a plastic trash bag with you when you go on walks in the woods. That way you can dispose of the garlic mustard that you found properly. Make sure that the bag is sealed and that none of the seeds that are already forming on these plants have a chance to spread outside of the bag. In a pinch, when you're pulling, you can hang these from a tree or lay them on a stump. But really, the best management practice is to make sure that we're taking these plants out of the environment in which they're found. That way we reduce the seed spread and reduce the chance that this plant will spread into more areas over time. When hanging plants on trees, it's a good idea to make sure that they're upside down so that the roots dry out, desiccate, and don't have a chance to re-root again. Pulling garlic mustard is just one small step we can all take to be better stewards of the land. You can do your part and help protect natural lands here in Indiana and wherever you travel by making sure to control invasive species where you find them, if you are able. Please feel free to reach out to us here at Purdue Extension in Montgomery County or in the county you reside in for more information about invasive species. Another great resource is the Indiana Department of Natural Resources. Happy garlic mustard hunting, and thank you for watching.